Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. It's been a little while since I've been down here. So I got two things to work on. I have a Sega CDX, which I've worked on before, which was a warranty repair to adjust the laser pickup potentiometers one more time. The ones I worked on, I wasn't really seeing any issues, slow loading or like that, but I didn't really have any full motion videos going on in the games, and one of the other games has an audio track. I've got notes over here somewhere for it. Oh, it flew away. I'll find it. Anyway, where'd the notes go? I'll find out in a minute. So I'm not going to rip that apart yet. So, but the more interesting one is this is a game action replay. So there is a button cell battery here, which in classic early 90s style is permanently soldered in and not installed in this nice little socket right here. It's just a regular old button cell battery, nothing too thrilling about it, but the problem is if you remove the battery, it messes with the EEPROM on here and it just stops working, and I don't want to damage. This thing is pretty darn rare as far as from what I've heard. So what you don't want to do is try to replace it without jumping new power in first. So what's going to happen, I don't think I'm going to work on it tonight, I'm going to tack in this AA battery holder here to keep a constant 3 volts on it, because it's just a 3-volt lithium cell on there. And so what will happen is on the back I'll tack into the in parallel to the battery that's on the button cell that's on there now, and then go ahead and install a battery holder, and then be able to install the battery. And then I got a request to put a battery holder on the back to make it easier to swap. That I'm still trying to figure out. I wanted to open this up and take a look real quick. Everyone get a little better view what's inside one of these. You know what? I might strap in for this one. Where's my static strap kicking around at? Where my static strap went? Shoot. There it is. Even though this is an ESD surface, it's not in the best condition anymore. So I am going to strap in. This is an ESD strap. It has conductive material built into the surface, like that. And then over here, I have a monitoring station. Let me know if its strap is connected to the ground. If it's squealing, it means I didn't have a good earth ground. In this case, I do have a good ground. Let's take a look at this. Just regular old Phillips screws, nothing thrilling there. Really kind of ordinary, actually. Just 5 Phillips holding it. I'm hesitant to even put this down on the table, as I don't want to accidentally short out the button cell. Let's see. Let this pull straight through. Okay. Is there any more clips? There's just a little. I'm being really gentle with this thing. So this is the action replay itself. So there's your Your CR2430, it's an inch wide, it's 22.4 centimeters wide, so that's an inch, and then 3 millimeters thick. So look there, it's installed kind of cockeyed, which is fine. Battery 1. Does that mean I can do... Oh, they gave me a spot for another battery. Oh, that's cool. Or do they? They might. I'll have to see electrically. Oh. Oh, that's... I see what they did. So this is kind of cool, actually. They set it up. I'm not going to touch it with anything metal here. This here is engineered to go... Here's your positives on the top. Again, I'm not going to touch anything metal on here. Positives on the top here. So there's your positive lead. So they actually have... This is actually kind of cool. They have another lead over here. You can see you can actually see the bus right there going to this guy, and you see this guy's busted there, and I'm willing to bet, oh yeah, pretty close. I can just do a little bit of, actually the other one works too. Oh, I see what they did. Look at this. This pad here and this pad here are spaced perfectly, so you can actually stick another battery right there, so you have two of them. Wow. That's cool. I didn't expect that. Yeah, so you can just stick another battery holder right there. Or there. Either one. Huh. I'll be. It's going to be slightly challenging soldering it. I think. Unless I do the back battery first. I'm not sure yet. That's kind of cool, actually. So yeah, so they actually designed it so you can hook right in the back there. Yeah, I'm not going to touch it. Spacings, these two actually space perfectly for this battery holder. So I'll be able to do that. Nifty. Some poor solder workmanship, but nothing that horrible. This is underfilled right here. And they should have cut the lead shorter and they underfilled it. Oh well. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. So looking at the front, this thing's got quite a bit of it's got custom Oki data chip here. GM, and I'm not familiar with that one. That's just this is where it's actually being stored on that RAM chip there. And don't ever, oh, there's an Intel chip too. What are you? An L34. Oh, wow. Don't ever take the covers off of these. This little shield here this is a reflashable ROM. So if you expose that to infrared light, it'll actually erase whatever ROM is on there. So I'm going to carefully put this back in its little shell for now. And it has been a long week, and I am a little tired, so I don't want to attempt this today. It's Friday, and I just had a full work week, so I think I'm going to work on this tomorrow because I don't want to mess anything up. Same thing with this guy. I'm tired. So this guy, I'm going to go ahead and get my battery pack ready, get that wired in parallel, pull this one, install. So it looks like I'll be able to install the back one and then install the other one. I think they'll be out of each other's way or close to it. And I'll find a way to do it. It's nothing's impossible. So that's cool. They actually had spots for two of them. That's see why I was wondering why they had bat 1 on there. So it must be bat 2 in the back. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. It's a quick one today because I'm just wanted to show you what I had in this guy. I'm just set to open him up, and there's 4 adjustment pots along here. I'll just start playing the games and seeing how it goes. Thanks for watching.